what we start up with today is the questions where we had left last class, and I have the solutions file itself in front of me, so I'll prefer doing it from there. So that's a little faster. So we had finished up to this DNS and identifying of the topology. I think up till here we are done. And then we come down to these 4-5 questions, which are like little bit of case study based. I mean, a case is given and based on that you have to answer. So here it says, Sahil, a class 10 student, has just started understanding the basics of internet and web technologies. He's a bit confused in between World Wide Web and internet. Help him understand both the terms with suitable examples.
Ma'am, World Wide Net is a part of internet.
World Wide Web is a part of internet. Internet is like a huge network of machines put together. And World Wide Web is mainly focusing on the hypertext content. Okay, which is stored in the various web servers, and they are interlinked through these hyperlinks. Okay, so that is what is World Wide Web. Internet is much more than that. Internet existed before World Wide Web also. There are other features of internet which I mean, other than the World Wide Web are there. Many other, like Telnet is there, FTP is there. A lot of other things are also there. Okay, so that is how this part also becomes important, difference between World Wide Web and internet. Next one, Murugram wants to send a report on his trip to Northeast to his mentor. The report contains images and videos. How can he accomplish his task through the internet? Email supports everything. Images, video links also you can add on, or you can use your Google Drive, the links to that, and send it through email if the files are large enough, right? So it can be sent easily through the email application of internet, easy and simple, right? Okay, next one. Mampi is planning to open a company that deals with rural handicrafts. She wants to advertise about handicrafts on a social platform. Which internet service she should use and why? Okay, so what do you think? She has to make a website to advertise. That is the best thing. And websites will be launched on the web servers, and web servers will be available. The link to the web servers will be available.
Worldwide.
Yes, in the World Wide Web she has to use. This feature of internet she has to use, and how she will use it, that will be through the websites, because she wants to make it globally accessible. Okay, so simple. Ruani wants to edit some privacy settings of a browser. How can she accomplish her task? Now this you might find a little irritating because you'll have to write the steps. Now, though I'm not sure whether they are going to give us, ask a question like this in step-wise detail. Sample paper doesn't talk about it. But still, if not steps, somewhere they might ask for some option or something that, okay, like in the, where can we set the, cookie deletion option in the
Ma'am, when they give a question like this, ma'am, which browser should we like consider?
Even that is the case. If you are writing something like this, you give an example. Say that I am talking about this particular browser.
Okay, ma'am.
As such, they should not be asking something which is specific to a browser, because the syllabus doesn't talk about a particular browser as such. But if you
I wanted to ask something.
Yeah.
I've heard that they are saying that they will put competitive based questions also in second term. Is that?
What do you mean by competitive based questions?
Competitive exam based questions.
Competitive exams are generally objective types, and that we are not talking about in the second term. I have not heard about this notice as such. As such, always a question paper of CBSE has HOTS, whether MCQs or whether descriptive. So that part is definitely there, which is the HOTS part. 5% of the paper is considered always kept for the HOTS section. That definitely will be there. Competitive exam based questions could be analytical questions, if you take in those terms. Analytical questions, yes, analytical questions can definitely be there, where you are not asked something directly, but you are asked the implementation of something, and based on that you are being questioned. Those kind of things can definitely be there, but as such, the pattern which I've seen from the what CBSE has shared, I don't think there was something which was competitive based. I didn't realize it. Anyway, if there's something of this sort coming over, we'll definitely share with you. Okay. So here we have the settings option and the privacy and security tab, through which we have all the options regarding the privacy setting, which we can change. Next is Shubham wants to play a video on his browser, but he's not able to do so. A message on the screen instructs him to install the Adobe Flash Player plugin. Help him to add it in his browser. So here comes the concept which we have studied regarding the plugins and the add-ons, right? Now, when we are opening a web page, and I told you that there's something, some kind of a small short video on the corner or something which is not playing. Okay. And then when you go and it says install Adobe Flash Player plugin. So some plugin is missing, which is required. So there, to add the plugins, again, you have to go to your browser settings and browser options, and there you have the plugins option. Okay, from there, the options are generally showing up what all plugins, desired plugins it can help you with. From there, you'll have to enable or disable the required plugin. Okay. Then comes the last one, which says he's given an URL and the error 404 is coming. Why is it happening and what can be done to avoid it? The 404 error indicates that the server, the domain name is wrong. The server could not be found. Server not responding also could be the case. But generally it is server itself is not found. So domain name, there is some problem. Okay. So that you have to be careful. It could be that the website contents have been removed or moved to another URL without adjusting the internal links accordingly. Multiple reasons can be there, but it's mainly when the server itself is not responding to my, not found or not responding to my request. Okay, so these are the kind of questions which we can expect in this particular chapter. It's quite elaborate. I think they have covered, right, covering all sorts of aspects in terms of small questions also, full forms also, like naming the device, identify the topology, then differentiation questions, and then naming questions, service providers, browsers, all sorts of questions they have tried to include, I believe. Now we have to see what more we can add on. Okay, as per the chapter. Now, finishing up with this, we move on to the next aspect of it, that is the case study question. Now, if you can arrange for a paper pen, that will be great, because that will help you
2 minutes.
understand. Okay, that will help you understand the way we have to go about it. I will request everybody to go and get hold of a paper pen. So now we continue with the question. Now, first, is this question where it says that a company in mega enterprises has 4 wings of buildings, center to center distances between the various buildings. Okay, so you have generally they provide with a sketch also. I have not taken up that part in this question, so you can make out from here that you've got W1, W3, W2, W4. 4 wings are there, and they have named it as W1, W2, W3, W4. Okay, all the distances are given. Maybe it has covered all the distances, or whatever distances it has given it to you. It's there in front of you. Okay, fine. Next, it says number of computers in every location. So 4 locations and with the number of machines. Okay.
So these are like connected to each other in a like star or in a bus manner, in a topology manner.
Could be. We don't know about it as of now. They are independent machines. They are connected. We are not aware of it. Let's read the question further, then we'll get to understand that part too. That what information is it providing us? Computers in each wing are networked, but the wings are not networked. So Achintya, it's clear to us that the machines in every building is in a network. Which network we are not aware of, but they are in the network form. Wings are not connected. So W1 is not connected to W2 or W2 is not connected to W3. They are not connected. Okay, they are independent.
अच्छा, बस
buildings.
information मतलब they can receive होती है हर एक पर अलग-अलग.
अभी भी नहीं पता हमें. As per this, we don't know. whether
No,
they
just
are able to
being
transfer.
taking an assumption.
Could be that they transfer it in whichever manner, but they are not networked. So through networking, it is not happening. It could be by any other method. The company has now decided to connect the wings also. Okay. So now they are planning to connect these 4 wings to each other, right? Suggest the most suitable cable layout for the above connections. Now that's generally the first question. The cable layout question is generally the first question in this kind of case study questions. Okay. Now what's the approach towards doing this kind of a thing is start from the minimum distance. Like, okay, first step should be you make your 4 buildings. Just be sequence may you want to make, not a problem. You can keep your 4 buildings ready or just create one, first 2 and then start. Okay. What you have to do is you have to first pick out the minimum distance. Basically, I want the cable layout to be a minimum cable layout, right? But all the wings should be connected through it. Okay. So what we see here is that 50, 60, 25, 170, 125, 90. So 25 meters is the first minimum distance I have, W2 to W4. So maybe I just am changing it to W4. Okay. And W2 to W4 is connected and you're going to write above it the meters. Just to keep in track of kitna distance I'm covering. Okay. So 1 cable here. Next, I move to find 50 meters, W3 to W1. They are still not linked. Okay, so I will pick it up. W3, but they are not part of my other 2. So independently only they are working. Fine, W3 to W1, 50 meters. Okay. So in pairs, they got connected now, but again, they are not, all 4 is not linked together. Now let's go for the next one. 60 meters. W1 to W2, W1 to W2, 60 meters. Okay. Now you don't have to complete the cycle because if a person wants to transfer data, because you want a minimalistic cable layout, jitna minimum cable ke saath we can work. Okay. So that is why you will not prefer to connect W3 and W4 also. Itna minimum
But
cable.
W4 or W3 170 meters पे एक दूसरे connected तो
connected नहीं है, connected नहीं है, they are just giving you the distance. ये connection नहीं है, this is just the distances he is telling you. Okay. Now you might say कि W3 to W4 तो 170 meters है, whereas 25 plus 60 plus 50 might be less or more than 170. I'm not sure. Is it 110? Oh, it's less here. But in certain cases, when you are seeing that it is coming via a route, might be a longer distance also, not a problem. But we have to keep a minimal cable layout. So we try to pick the minimum distances one by one and then try to connect all my nodes. It should not be, it's not compulsory to complete the connection. We should not unnecessarily, he can travel like this. This is a 170 meter distance. Now, why should I prefer connecting this also? Then he can easily send the data via this line. W4 to W2, W2 to W1, W1 to W3. Okay, so this is the process for the first category of question which we'll have in this. That is how to find out the most suitable cable layout. At times, there could be 2 or 3 layouts which are suitable, showing you almost similar distance. But you can always choose any one out of that and show. Okay, it's not essential that you have to show all 3 of them or 2 of them, that either of the 2 can be used. Nothing like that. One layout you can give. And if it is giving you a kind of a minimum cable layout, it is definitely acceptable as an answer. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कि W2 यहीं पे लिखा होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे W4 लिखा होना चाहिए. That combination also can be anything. Like if I start from W1 here, W2 here, that is also okay. That does not matter in the answer. Your marks will not be cut for that. किसी भी तरीके से हो, what the examiner will see is the 4 nodes are connected, okay, and you have picked the minimum distances. That's it, right? So that is the first part. Second category of question which is generally asked in these kind of questions is that what is the most appropriate topology of the connection between the wings? Okay, between the wings. So now this is a cable layout you have set. Now he is asking for a topology. Can you suggest something?
Ring.
It can be a
नहीं
ring,
रिंग बट
but
रिंग
it
के लिए
is
सारे
not
कनेक्टेड होने चाहिए एक दूसरे से
complete. It is not
मैम
complete.
बस क्योंकि बस में मैम यही है ना कि मतलब but इसमें
It can
terminals-
be a bus that I can have a terminator here.
Terminal
I
होना
can
चाहिए।
terminator here. It's not terminal, but it is terminator.
terminators
Endings, terminators. So I can have a terminator here and I can have a terminator here, and then I can have these.
एक्चुअली बस और स्टार दोनों हो सकती है स्टार में भी अगर इससे कनेक्टेड हो तो
No problem.
So
You
we
can
can
have one
assume that it
central
is a
point.
tree one. We can assume that it's a tree one.
No, because it's asking for, see, always I'm repeating, tree is becoming a combined topology. Somewhere where you are unable to perform it, I mean, in one topology, of course you will say that. And I don't know at these because these are areas. This is not one computer. Okay. So it could be that it is actually, we know that, and at location number W1, there are already 150 computers connected. Okay, so this is actually a location. So if you see it from a long point of view, I mean, from a overall perspective, it is actually going to be something like a tree only, right? This is also a setup. This is also a setup. These are all individual setups only. Okay, but as such, we can say that if I just talk about these 4 wings, then it can be a linear topology easily. But yeah, if I combine the setups within these wings also, it will actually become a tree. Okay, but because he has asked only between the wings, he's not asked you to be concerned about the data, I mean the connections within the wings. So that is why this bus sounds okay. You might elaborate your answer further and say that because these already have networked machines and I put a bus setup here, linear setup here between the wings, it ultimately becomes a hybrid structure. That is okay. But your wings...
Is it compulsory to explain?
No, it's not compulsory. When they're asking for the connection between the wings, what is needed is one answer. You want to explain, that is your wish. They're not really asking for it. Okay, is it fine? Shall I further? Now, the company
ma'am.
wants internet accessibility in all the wings, suggest a suitable technology. What do you feel should be the suitable technology?
This should be a star because in a star topology अगर एक मतलब उनके पास एक particular एक connector ऐसी कोई चीज है जिसकी वजह से वो मतलब कहीं पे भी अपने भेज सकते हैं information को, but रिंग हम रिंग इसलिए नहीं कर सकते रिंग में फिर वो कनेक्टेड है एक दूसरे से, तो वी कैन नॉट
नहीं हो सकता
स्टार ही एक बेस्ट पॉसिबल ऑप्शन है.
अच्छा, one more thing. You have learnt about topologies, you have learnt about types of network, you have learnt about connecting devices, you have not learnt about channels. That part is also there, and I think this technology is the channel part only what they're asking about. Everywhere the answer is not topology. Ye dhyan rakhna. If they're talking about what kind of network am I setting up, then you answer in terms of LAN, WAN, MAN, PAN, whatever. Okay. If they're asking about topology, you will answer in terms of ring or star or bus or mesh, whatever. If they're asking in terms of devices, then you will talk in terms of router, switch, gateway, modem, things like that. If they're asking about technologies, it should be either we can say Wi-Fi, or we can say what? In terms of wireless. It can be Wi-Fi, it can be radio waves, it can be microwave link, it can be like that, or it can be satellite. And in terms of wired, it can be twisted cable or coaxial cable or fiber optics, that. Okay, so you have to see what he's actually asking. Her answer is not supposed to go and land up into a LAN WAN MAN or land up into a topology answer.
And what is the first LAN WAN MAN?
That was the first, like what type of network. So you can write it down. One category, what they'll be asking is type of network. Second is topology. Directly he'll ask, right? Second will be your topology. Third is your device. Which device am I supposed to connect to? Which device will help me connect to the internet? Something like that if they're asking. So they are talking about device. And fourth is channel or technology. in terms of, you can say wireless technology or wired technology. In terms of that also it can be answered. So third one is, as I said, devices. And fourth is my technology or channel. Okay. Now, technically, channels is not there as part of your syllabus. It's not there in the syllabus mentioned, and hence we have not covered. But I will send you the detail. It's not much. थोड़ा सा we should know कि ठीक है.
थोड़ी सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
हाँ, थोड़ी सी understanding if you have, accordingly you can answer it better.
नहीं, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, थोड़ा बता दो.
I'll tell you about it definitely. I'm not including it now, but I will discuss that too. Just a little bit of it so that you have that thing in your mind. I don't want you to learn the advantage of every channel and disadvantage and पूरा detail में करने की जरूरत नहीं, but एक basic understanding हो तो it's better off. ठीक है? Now here they are talking about suitable technology. So बताओ internet accessibility के लिए which technology?
Fiber optics.
You can have fiber optics. It's a wired technique, and I can connect a modem at some point, a router at some point, and then I can use it with fiber optics. That also can be done because the distance is not much. 25, 60, 50. You can easily handle in a wired one. You want a wireless thing, then you can have all the three connected to a router, wireless router also. All the three wings, and from the router it is connected to the internet. Wireless technology, wired technology, both is possible.
Ma'am, wired works like good. It works much better.
It works. Of course it works. And your distances are less, so you can go for a wired one too. No problem. Okay. Next category of question here is placement of following devices. That's, see here it's asking now for the devices. Placement of the following devices with justification if the company wants minimized network traffic. Okay. So repeater should be where? Repeater, I believe, is not required because repeater you should install only after almost 90 meters to 1 kilometer के बाद. Here you can always write repeater not required because the distances are not much. अगर आपने कहीं पे 170, 125 pick किया होता, 90 भी pick किया होता, then you would have said that I need the repeater. So repeater के लिए you at least it should be more than 90 meters, at least 100 meters of course, but at least 90 meters. Okay, otherwise repeater is not required. This much it can be handled with a good quality wireless. Hub or switch. Definitely you'll always talk about switch because here we can see it's 15, 15, 25, 150 machines. Hub cannot handle it. So you talk about that in every wing, I need the machines connected with switch and not hub. Otherwise the network traffic will be too much. Okay. Next one. Company is planning to link its head office situated in New Delhi with the offices in hilly areas. Suggest a way to connect economically. Now this answer you can do only when you have studied the channels properly. I should not have included this question here, but still, if we talk about it, whenever it is hilly areas and an economic setup. Okay, first of all, economic setup, I will never go for fiber optics because it's expensive. Moreover, it's hilly area, so I cannot go for wired one. And New Delhi I want to link, so it's far off, so I will not go for a wired one. So it has to be a wireless technology. Satellite will not be considered under wire, economic condition. I mean, economically supportive, because if you have to set up your own connectivity there, it is a huge cost involved. Okay, so in economic conditions and hilly areas, it will support also. So you will go for a microwave. Okay, now how do you understand the concept of this microwave and radio wave? Basically, you people are all traveling generally in flights where you won't have experience, but if you have gone to countrysides and if you have traveled by train, have you ever seen these huge towers, amidst those open lands? Have you seen it? Anybody has noticed ever with antennas at the top?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You must have. Huh? And from, you know, place to place, time to time, you will find these.
One place in Gujarat, it was a
It's
lot
there,
of.
it's everywhere. If you move on to UP, if you move on to any side, you will have these. These are those, you know, towers which are transferring data. It could be your this thing meant for the radio transfers. It could be meant for your television transfers. So you have these satellites, you have these antennas at the top, and they are generally unidirectional, one direction, you know, facing each other. I've made a wrong direction here actually, facing each other. Look, you know, what do you call it, same angle pe hota hai, straight, because these wires travel straight. So the microwaves travel straight, so that is why they are made to face each other, so that the transfer happens. So long distances pe you have these you know towers created, and the data is, you know, signals are transferred from one antenna to the other. Okay, so this is like, you can talk about radio waves here, because they are the microwaves here, because they follow the same line of sight. Yes, I was forgetting this term. Line of sight, and they travel straight. अब इसमें बीच में अगर हिल आ गया कोई तो प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज वो ब्लॉक हो जाएगा. So if they are talking about a hilly area, then radio waves is better, because in the case of radio waves, obstruction doesn't matter. How do you remember that? You remember that because even if you are traveling to any corner, or you know, you're going to some hillside also, my radio station works, right? अब वहां पे अलग बात होगा, it will be, the tower will be over a hill, है ना. हिल स्टेशन में भी you must have seen these towers, ऊपर कहीं पे at the
Yes,
hilltop, these towers are there. These towers are actually meant for these kind of transfers itself. Okay, so that is all about your economic transfer. I'll give you these details too later, but this is how this category of questions needs to be attempted. Okay, another one is this one. There here one question is missing. This is actually previously given questions in the CS papers. From there only I've picked up. There's one more question which is expected in these types. That is, which computer should I be, which wing should I be hosting the server? So there you will see which wing has the maximum number of computers. That wing you will be hosting the server. And then that wing only will be having the main router from where it is connecting to the internet after the connection. After all the wings connected, this wing W1 will be having the main router from where it is going to connect to the internet. This will have the server will have the router connected, and from that router it is going to connect to the internet. If they say where should the firewall be installed, again, because W1 को हम main station ले रहे हैं, server ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे, so here is the place where you will have your firewall also installed. Okay, so that will always go by one single logic, where the number of computers are maximum. That's it. Okay, let us see this one. One more question we do today. These are the kind of wings, whatever diagram they are making, triangles they are making here, that is okay. The IIBM has set up its new branch at Manipur for its office and web-based activities. It has wings of buildings as shown in the diagram. So this is the way you are also going to make your wings, whichever way they are showing it to you. Okay, then you have the distances given: 40 meters, 60 meters, 135 meters, 70 meters, 165 meters, 80 meters. Number of computers at every wing is also given to you. Okay, 130 is the maximum one, which is Z. So wing Z will have your server. Wing Z ke through I will have my router connected, I will have my firewall installed at that place. All those things will happen on wing Z. Okay, but first is most suitable cable layout between the wings and the topology which you feel should be applicable. Again, when you talk about repeater and switch here, the third question category which they are giving, switch will always be available for every machine, I mean every wing, to have the network done. There could be that there are multiple switches involved because the number of machines are very high. So the way they have planned the network there, so every wing will have its own set of switches. And then repeaters, once we form the connection, the cable layout, there we will see if we have somewhere more than 90 meters or so, we'll say that a repeater is required because the connection is, the wire is long enough. Okay. So let us pick up the connection now. Now here I see the minimum one is 40 meters. So wing X to wing Z. You also draw wing X to wing Z. And always you will write the distance also, just to be aware as to what you're doing. Okay, cross check your data. Then comes 60. Okay, let's see Z to Y. Z to Y. Which is 60 meters. Okay. Then comes the next one, which is here, you have 70 meters, 80 meters, they are very nearby, 60, 70, 80. So could be that there is a second option also available, which you can suggest. But we go as per the minimum ones itself, Y to U. So Y to U is my next one. That is Y to U is how much? Y to U is 70 meters. Okay. Again, we are ready with all my 4 wings connected. And seems to be okay because they are not too much of distances. Repeaters also not required. The kind of cable connection we have made. So if Y has to go to X with the data, direct linking is 135 meters, whereas what I have formed is 60 plus 40, 100 meters. So I'm better off. Okay, so this way you find the connection. Here, no repeater required. Hub and switch is there at every location. And again, topology could be your linear, could be star also if you want to put it. No problem with that. I would prefer a linear one itself in this case.
Ma'am, if it is a star topology, how will it be arranged, ma'am?
If it is a star topology, then you will have to think of placing central connections.
Ma'am.
That has to be done. तो central connection से everything will be connected ना.
तो मैम मतलब
topology change हो जाएगा. वह भी setup change हो जाएगा. That is true. And I think this should be linear only to be placed. कर सकते हैं वैसे, but then the setup itself.
But एक और भी होती है net topology होती थी, उसके बेस पे भी तो हो सकता है फिर.
Mesh में.
Mesh
में तो you have all the machines connecting. Again, the cable layout will be too much in that case. Until unless every wing is connected separately to the other wing.
But label layout, it's not that it is not sufficient to do that. है तो काफी है अभी.
What I'm trying to say is that mesh का जो major rule है, that is that your every node is connected to all the other nodes. So in this case, they are wings, but every node is connected to all the other nodes. That we are not doing, na? Every node is connected to all the other nodes. Like if I say A is connected directly to B also, to C also, and to D also. Similarly, if I talk about D is connected directly to C also, D is connected directly to B also, D is connected directly to A also. If this is case, then only you will say it is to be mesh. Otherwise, नहीं. वहाँ पे तो हम क्या बना रहे हैं? हमको link, एक single link we are creating ना. If A has to travel to D, he has to go by B, C, and D. He has no way to travel straight. तो वो mesh topology तो हो नहीं सकता, है ना? That way. Mesh का अपना rule है, isn't it? Okay, so now you will try the third one yourself and send me the answers.
Ma'am, please take the attendance.
Yes, I'll take the attendance. Okay.